Meet Nest Brush, the next step in dental hygiene. We used to do this, and then we invented this. We used to do that, and now we have Nest Brush. The world's first independent dental cleaning system. Now the brush and paste are as one. Fill the airtight container with your favorite toothpaste. With Nest Brush, you can smoothly dispense the perfect amount of toothpaste right on the bristles and guaranteed to stay fresh for a month. The brush always stays clean thanks to UV lights. Complete with a stand and travel case, this oral care set works everywhere. At home, on the road, wherever you want. Award-winning design of Nest Brush captures the essence of minimalism. Hypoallergenic silicone bristles deliver a thorough but gentle brushing experience. And it simply looks amazing. Join the next step in oral hygiene with Nest Brush. Order yours at special price today.